High-effort judgment processes. Judgments, evaluations of an object or estimates of likelihood of an outcome or event. Decision-making, making a selection among options or courses of action. Judgments of likelihood and goodness, badness, estimation of likelihood, our determination of the probability that something will occur. Judgments of goodness, badness reflect our evaluation of the desirability of the offering's features. Anchoring and adjustment process. They first anchor the judgment based on some initial value and then adjust or update the evaluation as they consider additional information. Imagery. Imagining an event in order to make a judgment. Biases in judgment processes. The quality of the consumer's decision and affect consumer judgment in a variety of ways. Confirmation bias. If consumers are susceptible to a confirmation bias, they will focus more on judgments that confirm what they already believe and will hold those judgments with more confidence. Self-positivity bias. Consumers can make judgments about the extent to which they or others are vulnerable to having bad things happen to them. Negativity bias. With a negativity bias, consumers give negative information more weight than positive information when they are forming judgments. Mood and bias. Mood can bias consumer judgments in several ways. First, your mood can serve as the initial anchor for a judgment. Prior brand evaluations. When consumers judge a brand to be good based on their past exposure to it. High-effort decisions and high-effort decision-making processes. Deciding which brands to consider. Inept set options that are unacceptable when making a decision. Inert set options toward which consumers are indifferent. Consideration set the subset of top-of-mind brands evaluated when making a choice. Attraction effect. When adding of an inferior brand to a consideration set increases the attractiveness of the dominant brand. Deciding which criteria are important to the choice. 1. Goals clearly affect the criteria that will drive a consumer's choice. 2. Time. The timing of a decision also affects which criteria drive our choices. 3. Decision framing. The initial reference point or anchor in the decision process.